Hello and happy Lunar New Year. In today's quick video, we are going to show you how to whip up the perfect dressing for your Yee Sang Prosperity Salad. For this dressing, you will need plum sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, lemon juice, white pepper and 5 spice powder. Just mix these ingredients together and your delicious dressing is done. We love this dressing because it's tangy, sweet, absolutely ideal for enhancing the refreshing flavors of Yee Sang. After learning this recipe, you'll never need to buy Yee Sang dressing again. Plus, it's great with other salads or even grilled meats. You can easily prep the sauce ahead of time so it's ready to go on the big day. Along with our Yee Sang recipe, this sauce is essential to all your Lunar New Year festivities. Enjoy!